In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an ExpressVPN subscription key. If you purchased your subscription from a third-party retailer, received a gift card, or got a promotional bundle, you may have a 16-character redemption code. It's important to know that this code is not the same as the activation code you enter directly into the app. Instead, you'll need to redeem it first through ExpressVPN's official website so the subscription time is added to your account. To begin, open any web browser on your computer or smartphone and go to expressvpn.com/redeem. This is the official redemption page where your key will be verified securely. Once you're there, what you do next depends on whether you're new to ExpressVPN or already have an account. If you're completely new, look for the field labeled Enter Code. Type or paste your 16-character subscription key into that box, then click Continue. After the key is validated, you'll be asked to create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure you store your login details somewhere safe, since you'll need them again later. If you already have an active ExpressVPN subscription and want to add the new time to your existing account, click the Sign In link on the redemption page. Log in with your current account credentials, then complete the verification step using the temporary code sent to your email. Once you've signed in successfully, return to the Redeem page, paste your 16-character key into the box, and submit it. This adds the prepaid time directly to your current subscription instead of creating a separate account. After your subscription key has been redeemed, the next step is to get your app activation code. Go to expressvpn.com/signin and sign in to your account dashboard. In the middle of the dashboard, find the section labeled Set Up Your Devices. There you'll see your activation code. Click the copy icon next to it so the code is saved to your clipboard. Now open the ExpressVPN app on your desktop. On the first screen, choose Sign In with Activation Code. Click into the empty field and paste the code you just copied. Then select Continue and follow the remaining setup prompts to allow the necessary system permissions and finish the installation. Once the app is ready, choose a server location and click the main power button to connect. Wait a few seconds until the app shows a green connected status. Finally, open a private or incognito browser window and visit expressvpn.com. What is my IP? Check that the IP address and country shown there match the server